So I'll be showing you how you can show Gemini images without uploading them. So let's say you want to show Gemini something and you really don't want to upload that particular image. Here's what to do. Just have that image saved in your gallery, and then you can share your screen with Gemini. So let's go to Gemini Live, tap on the screen sharing button, and then choose entire screen, and then tap on start. So currently Gemini can see my screen, and I can navigate to my gallery and select any photo that I want. So for instance, I can pick an image like this one. Gemini.
Okay, I see the image of...
Gemini,
That's a cool photo.
tell me what you see right now on my screen.
Okay, what would you like to know? I can tell you more about the Harris's hawk, the man's traditional clothing, or something else in the image.
Tell me about the guy's headgear.
The man in the photo is wearing a traditional Middle Eastern headdress called a keffiyeh. It's also sometimes called a gotra or shimagh. It's usually made of cotton and helps protect against the sun, dust, and sand. The black rope-like cord that holds it in place is called an egel. Did you have any other questions about the man's clothing or the falcon?
No, that's it. Thanks.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. Do you have any other
So you can see I showed Gemini that particular image, and I even asked questions without necessarily uploading that image to Gemini. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.